All right, taking a look at natural gas. We have an inside natural day on natural gas, and it looks like it's going to close in a bearish position. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. So we have an inside day and we have a likely weak close in the lower half of the day's trading range, and this sets up a potential shooting star bearish candlestick pattern. Nevertheless, it also follows the bearish candle yesterday. So we have one bearish candle, two bearish candle, only 1 day candles, but they're happening at a logical resistance zone that is the top of this large rising parallel trend channel. Back up. The bottom line here, parallel that line attaches here. It's confirmed here, confirmed here, confirmed here. And this is a failed breakout. And this is another attempt to break out, and so far it has failed. So the odds favor at this point, in my opinion, a pullback before we go higher. However, we could creep higher and still stay below this top trend channel line. Now, going back to the daily again, where does that leave us? Well, yesterday's low at 403 combined with the 50% retracement at 402 is key near-term support, and a drop below that will likely see a test of support around 391, which is the combination of two Fibonacci levels. Further down is a price zone around 375. This interim, this small line right here could be used as a guide, not as a solid signal necessarily, but if you see a reaction around it showing that there is support there, or there is support and then it breaks through, that may tell us something about the changes in supply and demand that may be occurring. So the idea that being a pullback can come all the way down to this line without any problem, to be totally normal, but it would be less bullish if that happened, as opposed to a shallower pullback and then a bullish continuation. Nevertheless, a decisive move above yesterday's high, this week's high at 448 could see higher prices targeted, the first one being 456 and then followed by 469, 470. All right, that is it for natural gas traders. Have a great weekend.